All right, fragrance hunting at Burlington Coat Factory in an actual, like, nice area where the houses are really expensive. So they were stacked full of just fragrances generally, and also a ton of gift sets, which we may or may not have bought three of. So first up, let's run through these. First, they had a bottled original EDT with like a deodorant stick. A little expensive for Boss bottle because a few years old at this point. Cheaper on Joma Shop. Pick this one up. MCM Crush comes with a mini full-size bottle as well as a little travel size kit. My wife loves it. We checked the notes and we're basically a blind buy, but we're happy with it. And Marshmallow Blush from Paris Corner, standard price $40. Hasn't really changed much in the last 6 months. And then we get into here. We get Jean Paul Gaultier Divine. Almost got this one. This one was probably the biggest level of savings compared to buying it even at discounters. It came with like the lotion and a travel size. Paco Rabanne Fame Parfum, full blown set for $80. We also picked that one up, so you'll see it at the end. So don't be shocked when you see it. Nabras from Latafa, $30, decent price. You can find it for about the same price online. So if you can find it in Burlington, pick it up. Tiffany and Company. Never seen this at Burlington Coat Factory. $60. Cool to see it, but we looked at the notes. It is old lady fragrance all day long. And then Polo Red EDT for a decent price, $50. You can sometimes find it cheaper online, but not always. Maybe like $5-6 less. Then we got Coach Green, again, about the same price online. Sometimes you can find the bigger bottles cheaper online, so it's more cost effective. Then we got some more Paris Corner. They're like confection gourmand stuff. I think this one's like called Creamy Biscuit, which is a terrible, terrible name for a fragrance. But there's also Cake Confession or Cake Temptation right there. They didn't have the tiramisu. They didn't have the Banana Bliss one, but these two were there. Then we jump into Dolce & Gabbana Intenso. Almost got this one. Almost picked it up. Nearly grabbed it. My wife wanted me to get it, but I wanted something different. Then we got Hawass for her, $30, pretty standard price for Hawass, even at Burlington. You can find it for about the same price online, if not maybe a little bit more. Gold Dolce & Gabbana The One, so that's like a special edition flanker of some kind. Not sure like what the deal with it was, but it's a eau de parfum intense. Never saw this before. Again, skipped on it. Then we got Her Confession from Latafa, iconic bottle. Not the best fragrance based on the reviews I read, as well as the notes weren't really my wife's thing. Then we got Eclair, $40 as always, a bunch of Yaras, including Yara Candy and Yara, the original pink. Then we got Club de Nuit for women. Have not seen this one from our moth show up at Burlington Coat Factory, so this was a new one, so I was kind of surprised by that. Decent price, too. Cloud Candy from Cod Lodge, $35. I feel like every Cod Lodge fragrance is either $35 or $29.99. They're all that same price. There's Cream Velvet again from Cod Lodge, and again, I think the price is like literally $29.99. Yep. I just got Azure Velvet a few days ago, same price. Then we got Hawass Black. Like I said, this place had a ton of stuff. It was crazy how much stuff they had. It was full blown. I put the link. I'll link the location when I post this. Then we have Ralph Lauren Polo Black, a mango fragrance, which is kind of odd. You think black, you think brooding, and like it's going to be a bunch of smokiness. Nope, it's mango. But yeah, Polo Black EDT, again, decent price. Then we got Invictus from Paco Rabanne, the EDT. This one I grabbed. Why? Because it was a full set. I kind of wanted the bottle. It's definitely a mass appealing, everyone smelled before kind of fragrance, but I still wanted it. Then they had Fame Parfum in the bottle for $10 more than the full-size gift set. So I don't know why this is priced this way, but it's not priced properly. Then we got Afnan 9 a.m. Dive, $35. I think that's a little expensive, to be honest with you. And then we get the bag, we get it home, I open it up for you, and we end up with the two Paco Rabannes and the MCM Crush, and we're very happy with it. Gonna have fun unboxing all this stuff because we don't wait for Christmas for our smells. Smells. Any hoozles. If you like the content, please hit the like button. Please subscribe to the channel to see more stuff like this, especially around the holidays, and have a great day.